Went on there, and then I continued reviewing, and I did it for about a month, and it helped a lot. Like I said, even after school, and I took that test one time, and I passed it. Hey there, everyone. My name is Karson. I'm from the Pacific Islands, specifically in Micronesia. Currently in Hawaii, working a 2-month contract. I'm a paramedic right now, NREMT in the state of Texas. I went through the process from EMT, advanced EMT, and paramedic. At the beginning of paramedic school, I finished advanced EMT, and then I waited for a semester before continuing to the paramedic section. And I was struggling. Advanced EMT, I was struggling. And at the first part of paramedic, I was struggling. Study habits, none. I mean, I tried to skim through the book, tried to look at the beginning of the chapter, the objectives and all that. It was just hard for me to kind of grasp and understand what the lessons were. So I went on YouTube, and I found the paramedic coach. I was like, I skimmed through those videos that you had on YouTube channel. I was like, wow, I understand every bit of the information he's giving in those short videos. So I said, I'm going to look for a program if he's got one, and I'm thankful you did. Cardiology and pharmacology, those were my worst times. So I would watch those videos from end to end, and like you said, repeat these videos, watch them over again so you could better learn it. When you explain it, I mean, it's like my instructor says, it's just a light bulb that just, clicks. And that was it. And I was hooked. And I said, you know what? I need to really watch these videos. And when I went to your program, I loved it. So I kept at it. Helped me was the content. It was straightforward, and it wasn't a lot of going around, just explaining it as it is. Made me understand it and got me hooked to your videos. It's nice getting it from you, experienced paramedic. Medical school, I was like, I'm going to take my time, which bad reasoning or thinking, but I also had work, and that kept me busy. And after about 6 months, all those informations was just gone. Wait a minute, I remember I got paramedic coach. So I went on there, and then I continued reviewing, and I did it for about a month, and it helped a lot. Like I said, even after school, and I took that test one time, and I passed it. So thank you. And it's the way he explains the content, his information. I feel that it connected to me with little 911 experience or any experience at all, that I was able to understand the contents, even just a little information. Like I said, from the YouTube video, those 5 minutes, 10 minutes of videos, I was able to understand, and that's what hooked me to paramedic coach. He's our professor, paramedic coach. So I like that. He's easy to understand, and he makes the content easy, even for somebody that English is not my first language, so I can understand every bit of it. If you have any doubts or you're questioning the cred that Evan has, look at those videos and you'll know. The first minute, 2 to 3 minutes, you'll understand that the information he gives you will definitely help you. Again, I struggled paramedic school, advanced EMT, and paramedic school. I wish I had learned the paramedic coach since EMT. I'm sure that would have helped. Well, thank you again. Keep it up, Evan.